Hi, in this video we are going to discuss how to score more than 120 in NEET physics. So basically I am covering this lecture, video for the sake of the average students who are not able to score more than 100 marks. So in this lecture we are going to cover how to score 120 marks in physics, NEET physics. So basically, if you are not able to confident, if you are not able to confident about yourself, then the problem lies here is you are fearing about the exam, or you are not able to understand the concepts like that you are feeling. So basically here what we are analyzing is, we are analyzing the paper first, then we will check how to get or how to score more than 120 marks in NEET physics. See, agar if we see NEET 2029 पेपर, NEET 2029 पेपर अगर एनालाइज करेंगे तो if we can understand that the number of questions based on concepts, direct concepts, is around 13 questions appeared, and graphs directly, if you remember the graphs, you can answer 2 questions directly, and formula based questions are there around 21 questions, direct formula substitution only, nothing else is there, and formula application or application of 2 different formulas there are, calculations are there, some 9 questions are there. Even if you solve these problems, 21 plus 2, 23 and 13, around 36 questions are there, and around 144 directly you can score. Means approximately every time minimum greater than 30 questions you can solve easily in NEET physics. And for this what you have to do is NCERT questions और NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक thoroughly प्रिपेयर कर लो, कॉन्सेप्ट्स रिवाइज कर लो अच्छी तरह से, then you remember the formula, revise the formula and revise them, remember them, and graphs be, you can remember the graphs directly. Okay, this is enough for getting more than 120 marks in NEET physics. Okay, so I am not going into the detailed solution of this paper, NEET 2029 physics paper, but just I am covering lightly which is concept, and I'm actually interested in giving the proof for you. See here, the first question is, in which of the following processes heat is neither absorbed nor released by a system? See, this is, we know isothermal means temperature constant, isobaric means pressure constant, isobaric means volume constant, adiabatic means heat constant. So heat is neither absorbed nor released. So this is basically conceptual question, concept only, direct concept based. Okay. Increase in temperature of a gas filled in a container would lead to, the formula for energy is equal to F by 2 nRT. So this is temperature and this is energy. So increase in temperature means energy increase होगा. यहाँ क्या है? This is the answer. The total energy of an electron in an atom in an orbit is minus 3.4 electron volts. Its kinetic and potential energies are respectively. This is the formula, directly you can apply. So formula based. This is also formula, direct formula. Plug in the formula and substitute the values, you will get. And this is basically conceptual question, concept only. And this is direct formula, but you have to derive this formula. You have to derive this formula. So I am considering this as calculation part. this question is direct formula only. This formula you can apply directly. So this is formula based. Plug in only. Value substitute karo, answer you will get. This is calculation problem, basically relative motion calculation part. Actually, you can draw the triangle like this. Directly this is given 20 and this is given 10. This angle theta is how much? That is the question. But anyhow, this I considered in calculation. A mass is attached to a thin wire and whirled in a vertical circle. The wire is most likely to break. See here, just in this way, it is there, wire is there, ball is there. So at the bottommost point, tension will be maximum. So T is equal to mg plus mu square by L. L is the length of the. So this is also directly formula. This I consider as calculation basically, but this problem is there in NCERT textbook, but still anyhow directly you can say y minus a naught is equal to this much and root of a square plus b square is the answer, directly you can say. And this one is magnetism from magnetism. This is also formula based. Two formulas are there. This is delta pi flux, change in flux is equal to NBA into cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, and epsilon or EMF is equal to minus delta pi by delta t. This is the average velocity, basic definition, formula only, directly formula. Average velocity, what is the formula? Average velocity, displacement by time. Displacement is 0, so average velocity is 0. Here soap bubble excess pressure formula is there. Excess pressure formula is there, 4T by R. This is nothing but pressure, gauge pressure curve. This you have to equate to gauge pressure, you will get the answer. So this also you can consider as formula based. This one copper rod, so aluminum rod is there. So here extension due to temperature, alpha L delta T is the formula you have to apply. So this is also formula based. The unit of thermal conductivity, what is the formula? dH by dt is equal to K into A by L into delta T. This is temperature, this is time actually, this is heat, so formula based. So directly formula. This is also energy, formula is half into work done by weight. This is the formula actually. So this also you can write formula based. A disc of radius 2 meters and mass rolls on its center of mass as a speed. How much work is needed to stop it? So this is work done is equal to change in kinetic energy, formula directly. This is also formula, plug in the values. Error के लिए error also a square b to the power of half divided by c to the power of 1 by 3 d cube. So delta x by x formula is there. So direct formula from error analysis. See here, gravitational change in gravitation due to the depth is equal to g into 1 minus d by r. So here also weight you are asking, so mg dash is nothing but mg. So substitution only, this is also formula based. This is concept, direct concept only. Red is the answer. This one is also Work done is change in kinetic energy formula you have to apply. Rotational motion, so half into I into omega final square minus omega initial square. So W is equal to change in kinetic energy, so formula based, but work also you have to calculate. In this is SHM formula only. SHM formula is y is equal to a cos omega t. Here you have to calculate omega. A is given, so directly plug in the values. This one is graph basically. So this question is graph. If you remember the graph, you can answer this question. This is conceptual question basically. This is calculation basically. This one is calculation. This one is conceptual question only. If you know the concept, you can answer directly. This one is direct formula based. Work done is equal to F into R delta dW is equal to integral F dot ds. This is the formula. A rainbow, so concept, only concept this is graph. This is also concept only, or even you can use the formula omega is equal to 2 pi by t, so directly you will get. This is combination of lenses. Formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, so formula based question only. When you pour something else, another term will be added. So total internal reflection, so concept only, direct concept question. Here also E is equal to lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r formula, but you need some calculation here, so I consider this as calculation. This is concept only, direct concept. This is also concept only. This is formula actually. Q is equal to CV and dq by dt is equal to C dV by dt. So formula, but calculation is there, so I consider this as calculation. This is basically concept question only. This is also concept question, direct question. This is formula based, so lambda is equal to 12.27 by root V Armstrongs. That's it. This is also stopping distance formula, u square by 2a, but I consider this as calculation. This is also formula, q is equal to av, that is a root 2gh. A means area, this is q is discharge, h is the height. This is also formula actually, f is equal to q1 q2 by r square k times, but I consider this as calculation. So this is formula based directly. no calculations. R is equal to P by momentum by QB is the formula. This is concept. So directly equilibrium of forces, triangular. This is calculation I considered. Double slit experiment only formula. This is theta is equal to theta naught is equal to B by D and theta 1 is equal to B by mu D based on this formula. So we have seen all the questions. So I didn't solve them and I didn't try to solve them also. It will take so much time. So what I am interested is I analyzed the paper whether it is a formula based question or calculation based question or concept based question or graphical question. So with this, what is my analysis is correct. So easily you can score. Believe yourself and learn the formula. Try to read, go through the NCERT textbook. So NTA is giving simple questions only. So don't worry about the exam. Even if they are going to conduct in February 2020, then also try to write the exam, try to finish the syllabus, revise it properly, and if you like this video, subscribe it and share it to your friends, and I am going to describe some more videos regarding NEET in the next few coming days. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Bye.